I'm Shiva Dakal. I'm the Managing Director of Himkala Adventure. Himkala Adventure organizes trekking, tours, day hiking, and many other adventure activities in Nepal, Tibet, Bhutan, India as well. I was born in the mountain. I was grown up in the mountain. I started to be in tourism since I was a schoolboy. And I did porter work, so my English was really poor. This is through the experience I learned little English, and I got a license for trekking guide. I got another license as a city tour guide. So I worked like 16 years for other companies, and now I have my own company. We are different in terms of some dimensions, like only Himkala Adventure organizes free walking tour Kathmandu. Free walking tour starts from Tamil. We visit Kathmandu, where there are 4 different monasteries, and then head towards the local markets and then walk 45 minutes to the monkey temple. We hike up to 424 steps, which is a good viewpoint, and come back to Tamil. We opened the company, and just right after 3 months there was a big massive earthquake, 2015, April 25th. And it was 7.9 Richter scale. This was really devastating. For the new entrepreneur like I am, for everybody was a big challenge. Luckily, I'm glad to say I really thank to all of my guests who had joined. This year I have got the certificate of excellence in TripAdvisor as well. In Nepal, we have a slogan, the guests are like gods. I want to make anything quality-based tour, quality-based hiking. So I want to focus the true information about the history, about the iconography, about the culture, because Nepal is rich for nature and cultural thing. And the important thing, safety and security, which Himkala Adventure thinks is a paramount thing. It's a beautiful country, and we are a small country, but we have a lot more things. We have a diversity. It's nice to share an experience. We work as per your budget and your time constraint. We really have trained guides who had got many years experience. So I think you won't regret with Himkala Adventure service.